Find the square root corrected to two decimal places. For this, first we find out the square root as by long division up to three places. Then check whether the third decimal place is greater than or equal to 5. If it is greater than or equal to 5, you add 1 to the second place, then write the answer up to second place. After adding 1 to the second decimal place, write the answer. If the third place is less than 5, you write up to second place. Don't add 1. That is the procedure. That is, to find the square root corrected to two decimal places, first find the answer as by long division up to three places, three decimal places. Then check whether the third place is greater than or equal to 5. If it is greater than or equal to 5, add 1 to the second place and write the answer up to two places. If it is less than 5, don't add 1, then you write up to second place. Here one question is this: find the root of 7.23 corrected to two decimal places or approximate to two decimal places. As we studied in long division method, you group it before the decimal from right to left, that is from units place to left. Each contains two digits, but here only one digit is there, so that is one group. Then after decimal, you group it from left to right. Each consists two digits. Here only 23 is the one group. Then we want to find out the answer up to three places. So you add two group pair of zeros first. Two pair of zeros, that is 4 zeros. Two pair of zeros. These are two groups. Then start to divide. 7 is not a perfect square. The perfect square just before 7 is 4. Its square root is 2. So write 2 in the quotient and to the left of 7 also. Then find the product. 2 into 2, that is 4. Write it below the 7. Then subtract. 7 minus 4, 3. Then put the decimal in the quotient, that is above the line, quotient after 2. Then bring down 23. Then write the twice of 2, that is twice of quotient 2 on left side of this 323 by leaving a place for one digit. Write the twice of quotient 2, that is 2 into 2, 4. Write 4, leaving one place for the one digit. Then you divide this 32 into 323, 32 divided by 4. We get 8. If you write 8 near 4, we get 48. 48 into 8 is greater than 323. So you subtract 1, 7. 47 into 7, we get 329. It is also greater than 323. Then you subtract 1 from 7. Then you get 46 into 6. Then we get 276, which is less than 323. Then you write 6 in the quotient and 6 near to 4. Then we get 276. Subtract 13 minus 6, 7. Then 11 minus 7, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. So bring down the next group, 0, 0. And write the twice of 26, the left of 4700. That is 52. Then by leaving the place for one digit. Then you divide this 47 by 5. In 52, we know the tables of 5. So you take 5 for division, and here 47 divided by 5. We get 5 nines are 45. If you write 9 near to 529, we get larger number than 4700. So you subtract 1 from 9, then we get 8. Then you write 8 near to 52, then 528. Then you write the 8 in the quotient also. Then 528 into 8 gives 4224. Subtract 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 6 minus 2, 4. Then bring down the next group, pair of zeros. Then you write the twice of 268 as in the quotient. No, don't take decimal. 268 into 2, 536. Then you divide this 47 by 5. We get 9. Then 5369 into 9 is greater than this 47,600. So you subtract 1 from 9, we get 8. 5368 into 8. If you multiply this, we get 42,944. Then subtract 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 4, 5, and 15 minus 9, 6, and 6 minus 2, 4. Then we get 3 decimal places. Root of 7.23 equal to 2.688. We want to approximate it to 2 places, that is 2.69, because the third place is greater than 5. So you add 1 to the second place, 8, then we get 2.699 approximately. That means approximately. Then in next question, root of 0.097. You want to find out the root of 0.097 correct to 2 decimal places. That is approximate it to 2 decimal places. .097. So group it. Before decimal only one place 0. There is no value for that 0, but we write it. And after decimal 0, 9 one group, 7 is one group which has no 2 digits. So we add 1 0 nearby. Then another group also 0 0. Then we get 3 decimal places here. Then we can approximate it. No need to divide this 0. Simply you put 0, put decimal in the quotient, then bring down the next group 0, 9. And we are starting here division. This is 9 is the number here, no decimal, 0 0 2 zeros which have no value. So 9 is a perfect square, its square root is 3. So you write 3 in the quotient and left side of this 0 0 9 also. Then multiply this 3 into 3, 9, right below the 9. There is no value for these zeros, so no need to write zeros again and again. So 9 minus 9, 0. Then you bring down the next group, 7 0. Then write the double of or twice of this 3. After decimal, there is a 3 into 2, 6. No need to write the left side zeros here, so you leave it. Then 6. Then you divide 7 by 6. What we get 7 by 6? 1. So you write in the quotient 1 and near to 6 also 1. 61 into 1, 61. Then subtract 10 minus 1, 9, 6 minus 6, 0. Then you bring down the next group 0, 0 and write twice of 31 on the left of 900, that is 62, by leaving place for 1 digit. Then you divide this. Here we get 62. You take this 6 for division and you divide 9 by 6. 9 by 6 is again 1. You write that 1 in the quotient and near to 62 also you write 1. Then multiply it. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 6, 6. Subtract it. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. And 8 minus 6, 2. Then we get here 3 decimal places. So we can approximate it. Then root of 0.097 equal to 0.311. That's equal to 0.31 approximately. That is the third place is less than 5. So no need to add 1 to the second place. You write up to second place, that is 0.31. Note to find the value correct to 2 decimal places. Find the 3 decimal places. If the third place is greater than or equal to 5, add 1 to second place and write the answer, or write up to second place. Here we are using the same process of long division methods, but if you want to correct it to 2 decimal places, you should find up to 3 places, then correct it. I hope that you understood all these. share this to all friends and click the like button. If you are watching this channel for first time, please subscribe it. Thank you.